So apparently the Pixel 10 Pro went ahead and leaked. And it looks very similar to the 9 Pro, which interests me a lot because I'm really hoping that the 10 Pro Fold is very similar looking to the 9 Pro Fold. I love the 9 Pro Fold. So I'm really hoping that this is a positive take here in the end. And this is just more, confirmation that the 10 Pro Fold is going to look like the 9 Pro Fold. Like, as long as it looks the same, but it's just a better inside, under the hood performance, I'll be very, very happy. So, a lot of people are saying the camera bump is massive. I'll be honest with you, yeah, that camera bump is kind of massive. Now, apparently this is a prototype, so keep that in mind. But, yeah, that camera bump is a little bit of a chunker, man. That's a chunker and a half, prototype-wise. We got the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Looks like from China, looks like. So, Android 16. Now, again, like I said, at the end of the day, take everything with a grain of salt, okay? Because at the end of the day, this could be a nothing burger. Absolutely nothing burger. There's always prototypes of every phone put out there. If you ever look up any of the iPhones before they come out, there's a lot of different clones that come out of China. And some of them look good. Some of them look amazing, actually. But there are some that look absolutely awful. It's kind of just the nature of the business. Some are going to, be amazing. Some are going to be kind of questionable, right? So, hopefully this ends up being true, though, that the 10 Pro Fold ends up being very similar to the 9 Pro Fold. I could do without the 17-inch camera bump. I'll be honest with you, that's definitely... I don't know. There's a lot of people who said that, so it's not just me, in all honesty. People also saying, what the heck are these bezels? Now, this is why I kind of think it's not accurate, so it's real, is because the bezels are very, very huge. Now, a lot of fake phones have crazy bezels like this. You look at fake iPhones, you look at fake Android phones. A lot of those fake phones, they have crazy bezels. So again, it's very possible that this is just an absolute fake unit trying to recreate or trying to create a 10 Pro, and they're just using it as a, something to sell when the 10 Pro comes out to try to fool people and trick people into thinking that this is a 10 Pro. But again, like I said, you never know. You never know when it comes to the internet. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.